Former 90 Day Fiancé cast member Stephanie Davison has revealed that her pet ragdoll cat Cooper, who was featured in Season 8 of the spin-off, has died. While Stephanie has been a part of just one season until now, she became a popular name during her relationship on the show with Belize men Ryan Carr and Harris Flowers. The show introduced Stephanie as a successful businesswoman owning the Skin Envy non-surgical weight loss centers. The love between Stephanie and Cooper was adored by fans glued to her controversial storyline. While fans wanted to know what happened to Stephanie after 90 Day Fiancé, she never showed up for the reunion episode and did her own tell-all on Instagram where she dropped some shocking truth bombs. As fans got to know about Stephanie and Ryan's relationship drama, they also found out why she pretended to move on with cousin Harris. Stephanie blamed the production team for manipulating her and defended herself by saying that her supposed slurred speech was due to exhaustion on set. Meanwhile, fans stayed tuned to Stephanie's Instagram page for updates, and when they didn't see her posting for a while, rumors of her going missing also started. But Stephanie did return to social media after a couple of months to assure viewers she was doing fine and living her life. Recently, Stephanie also joined 90 Day Fiancé co-star Stephanie Matto's adult content platform. Amidst this, however, Stephanie has now shared that she lost her cat, Cooper, who was a few weeks away from being 20 years old. Stephanie told her followers that she was honoring Cooper's memory by helping Jovi DeFriend's mother, W.O.Animals, meet her GoFundMe goal. Popular 90 Day Fiancé mom Gwen is putting in so much work to rebuild her community, noted Stephanie. Earlier this month, Gwen started a Hurricane Ida relief fundraiser after her home state of New Orleans unfortunately experienced the worst of the storm. Gwen's efforts have been recognized by many, and the Good Samaritan has now raised over $28,000 out of her $25,000 goal. Thank you, Gwen, for showing us that even in dark times, there are people like you to shine a bright light, Stephanie wrote for Jovi's mom, who also replied to her with, "I'm so sorry to hear about Cooper, our pets. Become our babies." As Gwen thanked Stephanie for her generous donation, condolences also poured in from cast members such as Sumit Singh, Betty Gibbs and Laura Jalali, as well as plenty of 90 Day Fiancé fans who grieved for the late Cooper. Amongst the commentators was 90 Day Fiancé, The Other Way cast member Kenny Niedermeyer, who sent big love towards Stephanie and also spoke about his own dog, Truffles, who is getting up there. Cooper, who was born in 2002, can be seen posing with his mom in her old Instagram posts. Cooper loved catsup milk, according to Stephanie, who also hinted at key lime yogurt being the secret to her cat's long life. Stephanie has also been posting about Jekyll, her $20,000 personal protection dog, who will give her company as the 90 Day Fiancé star deals with Cooper's loss.